Kelly here at Bish's RV in Salt Lake, Utah. Today I'm going to show you a 2026 Arctic Fox 811. This is a truck camper. One of the doors just blew open. It's a little breezy today and I had it open anyway, but let's start our little tour. Okay. All right, here's our Arctic Fox 811. Got the slide out. You can see from here there is one solar panel on this side and an additional solar panel on that side. It's that little strip of silver. I don't know how well you can see it from here, but from the video. But right on top there, there's two solar panels. So you've got the SolX solar package on this. You've got your water there, auxiliary shower, water heater access. There's your plug-in. There's your courtesy jacks for your cable or satellite, propane. This is where your battery goes. Access to your plumbing out here. Your battery kill switches right there with access to other plumbing and wiring here. Couldn't get to that one. And then you've got a little storage cubby on this side as well. Beautiful awning with an awning cover. Beautiful slide with an awning cover. All right, here we go. Up into the unit. I just had them put the slide out so you can see this one is set up to be a bunk. I'll have to figure out how that goes in a second. 12-volt refrigerator. Lots of cabinets. There's the pad for the twin bed or the bunk bed. There's your control panels. Furrion microwave that doubles as an air fryer, 3-burner gas stove, and an oven. Nice deep farmhouse style sink, and the faucet does pull out. You've got a sliding door here for the bathroom. Behind that, you've got your pull-out pantry. And this is your wet bath. Hi, that's me. All right. So you've got this dinette that folds down into a bed, and you have a potential bunk bed if you choose to use it. Otherwise, we're just going to fold it up out of the way here in a minute, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to pause the video. All right, we're unpaused. I've got it set up as the dinette, and the bunks all put away. You can see there's a hinge there, so it folds down when you need it, and it's pretty invisible when you don't. Let me know if you have any questions about this unit. I'd be happy to walk you through features, weights, pricing, any of the above. It's a great this is a great truck camper.